Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can turn on new and popular channel notification on Messenger. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Messenger app in your device. Then tap on three lines icon. Next, tap on settings. Then scroll until you find notifications and sounds. Then tap on it. After that, you can see the option of new and popular channels. Turn on it by tapping on it. So, this is how you can turn on new and popular channels notification on Messenger. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.